Hey YouTube, this is Adrian. I just wanted to let y'all see what Hurricane Ike did to my house. So I'm just gonna walk you through. Here we are in the driveway. Okay, and here is part of my front yard, and you can see this big limb right here. This is the entire front yard. It is a total mess. Okay, and here is the back. This is my backyard, and it is terrible out here, y'all. It is so terrible. And last night was the most horrible night I've ever had in my life. 'Cause those hard winds of Hurricane Ike, he tore up everything in his path. And I've went around my city, and it is so terrible, y'all. Y'all seriously don't understand what I just went through. Y'all seriously don't know. And it's just horrifying. It's very horrifying. And so I just wanted to let y'all see my yard and stuff. My neighbors over here. So I'll hit y'all back up with another vid.